In this episode, we will see the ice cream and lassi making process inside the Go Amrut factory. First of all, the ice cream making process starts with heating milk. After that, the milk is cooled and other ingredients are added and it is mixed well. Once the mixture is ready, it is poured into the ice cream making machine. Here, it will take around 20 to 30 minutes to reach the ideal consistency. Here, we see chopped almonds and pistachios being added to this ice cream mixture. Now it is packed in a box and sent for freezing. We can see the ice cream is ready. Now, the lassi making process starts with mixing the ingredients in curd. Now, the glasses are filled with lassi. After that, the dry fruit pieces and butter are also added. Next, for packaging, the glasses are sent to the cap sealing machine. Lastly, the prepared glasses are put in a container and are sent to cold storage. Finally, the delicious ice cream and lassi are ready to dispatch.